Assalamualaikum and hi guys. My name is Izzuddin. My meter number is A90EA0094. I will brief you all about structural, and now I will pass to my teammate.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Siddiq. My metric card number is A19PA0098, and I will explain about transportation engineering. This is my team member.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Syafiq bin Nordin. My metric number is A190126. I will explain about water resources engineering, and this is my other groupmate.
And myself, my name is Hafiz bin Khairuddin. My metric number is A19EA0085, and I will brief you all about coastal engineering. And we are from
IDCTM. Okay, now my part is structural. Structural is relating to or forming part of the structure of a building or other item. But for this assignment, I will focus to the building. There are some type of calculation and equation that need to be recorded and calculate in order to settle the assignment. This type include column, slab, beam 1, beam 2 and beam 3. For ensure you all more understand, I will pick one building which is M48 near to the Arcade Cengal. Why I pick this building? Because this building has 3 floors that will make my observe more interesting and exciting. They make it become more exciting to be observed. There are some formula that we need to know, which is weight equal to density of concrete volume, density of concrete time volume and time 9.81. And then we move to next part, which is we need to find the every height, length and width of the column, slab and all of the beam. So for the column, we have 14 column. For the slab, we have 3 slab. For the beam, we have 3 beam. For beam 1, we have 3 beam 1. For beam 2, we have 30 beam 2. And for beam 3, we have 4 beam 3. Okay, for this 40 column, it weight 2,655.2 kilonewton. For the slab, it weight 2,273.98 kilonewton. Beam type 1, 237.672 kilonewton. Beam type 2, 189.38 kilonewton. And beam type 3 is 187.92 kilonewton. And this beam is total about 645.02 kilonewton. This is all about the structural assignment that we need to be discussed in our task. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. For my part is transportation engineering. First, we must know the meaning of transportation engineering. The meaning is transportation engineering is a branch of civil engineering that involved in the planning, design, operation and maintenance of safe and efficient transportation system to make sure it's safe. Okay. For mode of transportation, there are several types of mode of transportation, such as air, water, land and space. Transportation also brings the meaning of the movement of people, animals, goods and things. There are 2 things that are related to the transportation, such as traffic and junction. There are several types of junctions, just like cross junction, T junction and staggered junction. for the traffic such as pedestrian walk, cars, buses, lorries, and so on. For our assignment, we got the topic we got the assignment on how to improve road traffic and transport system at the School of Civil Engineering. Okay, for my first point is there is a road at School of Civil Engineering that have three beside the road, but it's blocking the way of the driver from looking at the other road. That's make the driver views limited, so it can cause accident. For my second point is at School of Civil Engineering have a bus stop that have no in-lane stop for the bus to stop and pick up the people. This can make road on the bus stop become slow and blocking the cars, and so the car from behind to pass the road. Next, for the third point, the T-junction at the way out from the K2T8 and K2T8 to the faculty always caught in traffic jam, especially in the morning. This because there is no police traffic that control the flow of the traffic. So the car cannot be organized well. So the traffic will be stuck and jam. For my conclusion, all these problems must be concerned by the right party to ensure the traffic at School of Civil Engineering is safe and don't cause in any other problems again. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi guys. Okay. Today I will explain about the coastal engineering. So first of all, coastal engineering is the branch of civil engineering that concern with the specific demand posed by constructing at the near the coast, as well as the development of the coast itself. So when we talk about coastal engineering, and then we mostly focus on two. We focus on two things, that is deposition and erosion. So what is deposition? Deposition is a geological process which sediment, soil and rocks are added to a landform or land mass. Which means that if deposition, the surface become more higher. And what happen if erosion? Erosion is the geological process in which earthen materials are worn away and transport by natural force such as wind or water. Okay, so after we have a discussion with the K1's groups, then they told us that the assignment for their coastal engineering was they need to counter the problem that happened at the Kuala Besar, Kelantan. So for the deposition side, there was too much soil due to accumulation. So how to prevent it? They need to dredge a channel deeper the pathway for ships. That means that they need to dig the soil at the sea level. We want to become more deeper to make a pathway for ships, and so the deposition area will be okay. So deposition area, and then it happened at the Marks River at the Kuala Besar, Kelantan, and the erosion area was. And for the erosion area, there's a lot of not enough soil because of the erosion. Take this old soil go away. So the erosion area have not enough soil because water brings away the soil. So how to prevent it? We need to build or add more groin to prevent the soil erosion. And then we need to make the groin from the concrete, which is made of concrete to act as a physical barrier for the Sungai Besar Kelantan. And then to counter the erosion area, we need to build a retreatment area along the seashore that's made from stone layers. So, and lastly, the beach reclamation, then calculate if still need soil using depth time area.
Assalamualaikum. For my subfield is water resource engineering. Water resource engineering is a branch of civil engineering which the field primarily responsible of water and tackle the planning, development and management of water resources. It also concerned with the study of selected topic in applies, hydrology, hydraulic, water resources and other. Okay, based on discussion and assignment that we have did, there are three aspects where we look at, which are water source, domestic wastewater and solid waste. First of all, water source. Water source is usually a fresh water that useful for people and industrial. Basically, the important point about water source are which river that has been used as source of water and which company manage it. The role of company is to ensure that the quality of water is protected and clean. It also needs to solve the problem that occur at the water source. Next, about domestic wastewater. Wastewater is the water which is disposed from home, office and industry. It comes from toilet, sink and industrial processes and was called sewage. Wastewater due to human activities in household called domestic wastewater. All domestic wastewater will go to the water treatment plant. The company that manage the water treatment plant will use a system to manage the sewage. Lastly, solid waste. Solid waste means any discarded or abandoned material. Solid waste can be solid, liquid, semi-solid or contain gaseous material. For example, garbage, oil and compressed gas. Generally, solid waste collection is divided into two, which is garbage collection and waste recycle collection. That's all for me. Thank you.
Bukalah matamu, bukalah matamu.